It is prayer, it is sacrifice, which give me all my strength. These are the invincible weapons which Jesus has given me. They can touch souls much better than words, as I have frequently experienced. How great is the power of prayer! One could call it a queen, who has at each instant free access to the king, and who is able to obtain whatever she asks. For me, prayer is an aspiration of the heart. It is a simple glance directed to heaven. It is a cry of gratitude and love in the midst of trial as well as joy. Finally, it is something great, supernatural, which expands my soul and unites me to Jesus. I love very much these prayers in common, for Jesus has promised to be in the midst of those who gather together in his name. Let us love Jesus. Let us save souls for him. Ah,